Hi, welcome to the Ximedica TechForum. We hope this commentary encourages discussion in the medical device industry. This category is about therapeutic devices. This product is potentially an alternate to drug delivery from Aleve, or the brand from Aleve, coming from the company Bayer. This is called Direct Therapy TENS. This is a reusable adhesive patch that includes TENS, which stands for transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, which has been around for a long while as a technology to treat back pain. What's new about this is that they're providing an OTC option. TENS currently really has only primarily been available through your chiropractor or prescription. So this product sticks to the skin using a double-sided gel pads, which are bought in a refill pack for just under $20, and it's operated through a wireless remote control. And when it's activated, the system through the TENS technology delivers electrical pulses to the nerve signals in your spine and motivates endorphins, and it's shown to actually reduce pain. A very different device, this time called Skin Gun and Cell Mist from a company called RenovaCare. This system includes a fluid that is a mix of your own stem cells taken from skin tissue, and it sprays that fluid onto your wound to help your wound heal faster and without scarring. The cell-infused vapor includes a 97% cell viability, meaning those cells continue to live, creating coverage that is over 200 times better than current healing methodologies. The stem cells are taken from the patient's skin and mixed in a suspension and then transferred into that syringe that you can see with the green handle there, and then loaded into the gun that then delivers the mist. It's been trialed in Germany, and they're seeking a kind of exploratory stage work. For those in the New Business Group, you may want to track these guys down. The next therapeutic device is an incisionless anastomosis system by GI Windows. Essentially, how this works is two magnets are deployed at different ends of the intestine, and because of the magnetic force, they meet each other and essentially create a purposeful anastomosis to essentially kill the tissue in that area that's blocking the intestine and create a shorter route through the intestine. First clinical studies have been conducted. The next therapeutic device is called the DBB06 hemodialysis system from the KISO. For those who have been in the hemodialysis category before, this is particularly interesting. This is the world's second largest maker of dialysis equipment. It's coming to the US for the first time with a device that features a blood volume monitor to estimate a patient's hydration levels in addition to performing dialysis, and is also able to store preset programs for individual patients. I would expect this to be applied for home use eventually, but it has gotten FDA clearance for clinical use. Another therapeutic device, this one is from Lanisol. This is a new breast pump that tracks, stores, and shares information to help better support breastfeeding mums. The data that the pump collects provides information on feeding times, pump sessions, amount of milk pumped, bottles given to baby, and data and time of milk stored, as well as even potentially diaper changes if that's something you want to track. The pump also has 3 different pumping styles and 8 adjustable suction levels. For those mums who have been immersed in tracking their health, this is a kind of a natural evolution for post-pregnancy. In the context of pediatrics, a bioabsorbable pediatric cardiac pulmonary valve, essentially a stent that comes from a company in Switzerland. It's made from electrospun bioabsorbable polymers, and essentially for children is an implant that allows for collagen and blood vessels to form within the material so the tissue takes over, just like some of the other bioabsorbable stents that are out there. And it's successfully been placed in 5 children with congenital malformations. They've received already FDA clearance from a humanitarian use designation. And the last therapy device for pediatrics, the WISP pediatric nasal mask. This is really quite sweet from Philips. This is intended to be a non-invasive ventilation for children with obstructive sleep apnea and neuromuscular disorders. And it comes in 3 delightful forms: Jackie the Giraffe, Sammy the Seal, and Tucker the Turtle. It also comes with an animated toy that interacts with the child, with similar, as you can see in the picture, characteristics. The mask is designed to be smaller and more comfortable to be worn from the range of 22-pound infants to 7-year-old kids. There's also a nice feature of a leak correction dial that can be adjusted by a caregiver without having to disturb the child. Commercially available both in the US and the EU. Thank you for watching, listening, and coming on in.